That's it.
Ladies and gentlemen, please hold your seats for our trophy presentation. Thank you. Anna is one of the youngest winners of the Orange Bowl girls title, but not the youngest, and that will be the trivia question later today in the Sun Sentinel, who is the youngest girls champion of the Orange Bowl. Who said that? We'd certainly like to thank our partners in the event, the City of Plantation and Mayor Diane Bendekovic, got that right this year. The Orange Bowl Committee certainly for all of their support, our official ball Dunlop, all the officials, all the ball kids, all the volunteers we've had throughout the week, and especially the USTA staff that's worked on this event. It's been great. It's a great event here, and we like being here, and we're certainly enjoying ourselves. How about one more round of applause for our competitors? Forgot one group that we want to thank, Bob Cooper and Lowell Kaufman of the Veltri Tennis Center. Thanks for everything you've done this week with us. Thank you very much. It's a great place to play this event. We've got lots of tennis left today, so we hope you'll stick around. We've got doubles next door and more matches right here on this court. Thank you.